News now from Bengal, and senior Trinamool Congress leader Abhishek Banerjee's sister-in-law Maneka Gambhir was stopped from travelling on a scheduled trip abroad from the Kolkata airport yesterday evening. The Enforcement Directorate, which is probing the alleged coal smuggling scam, had issued a lookout circular against her. Gambhir has been asked to appear now before the ED in Kolkata tomorrow. So Abhishek Banerjee's sister-in-law there stopped yesterday evening at the Kolkata airport. She was flying to Thailand, we believe, and she has been asked to appear before the ED for questioning. Well, let's go across to Saurabh now for more on this story. And Saurabh, so now the sister-in-law there stopped from flying abroad. Give us more details, and she's been questioned earlier as well in this probe.
Yes, I believe she's been questioned earlier. Now, in this case, the ED had summoned her to Delhi. She has challenged that summons to Delhi, and she was traveling on a scheduled trip, is what we're being given to understand. Now, when she reached the airport to take her flight, when she reached the immigration counter, she was told that there was a lookout circular at the request of the ED, and because of that, she could not travel abroad. So she went back home. Now, this has become, of course, a war of words between the Trinamool Congress and the BJP over these summons and, the alleged coal scam probe, where the Trinamool has now targeted the Union Home Minister Amit Shah with a word that the BJP spokespersons often use to deride and ridicule Congress leader Rahul Gandhi. So obviously, the Trinamool says that this is misuse of union, government agencies against opposition parties. Maneka Gambhir says that the BJP can't take them on politically, so they use agencies. The agencies, of course, maintain they're doing a probe, which is being monitored, by the courts, and that the agencies are simply doing their job, and the BJP says that. But this has become a debate between the ruling party and the opposition parties over misuse of central agencies. That's something that opposition parties allege. So this is, of course, the latest in that, sort of series of summons, searches, raids that central agencies have been conducting against Trinamool leaders.